How to remove Windows 11 update. Now if you want to remove the update of your Windows 11 because maybe you installed an update, it started to cause some issues, within a certain period of time you can always roll back to the previous version. To do this, all you have to do is go to settings, and on the bottom left just go to Windows Update, and here you'll find an option called Update History. Just go to Update History, and here you will see all these quickly quality updates, driver updates or other options, but you'll find this option called Uninstall Updates under related settings. So go to Uninstall Updates, and here you'll find all the updates that which is 22H2, 23H2, whichever update it was, a feature update, package update. You will see the date when you installed it. So depending upon which one is causing the issues you think, you can just click on Uninstall button to uninstall that certain update. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.